Forbes and The Economist and many other publications are saying that veganism is the most popular trend, with over $2 billion in sales, with over 8% growth and 17% growth just in China. And the drivers of the market are really health, sustainability, and humanity. And people are moving away towards their fears and concerns over meat and moving over to a more healthier lifestyle that's plant-based.
The message of Tokai is really, it's a message of better living from a health perspective, better living on the impact that it creates on the environment, the ingredients that we put in our body. The center core focus is to create a company that sets a trend that establishes a different way of being, not just from a profitability, but really from a way that you culturally inspire the people inside the company and out.